Here is interesting app called Ask AI, chat and get answers. You can see it's being built by this developer. And it's one of the top apps right now for for using AI. Because OpenAI doesn't have its original app on iPhone, and a lot of people just prefer to use AI app instead of just going to the browser. So let's just have a quick overview. Ask AI to write anything and get instant answers. Chat with the most advanced AI. Here are some ideas you can ask AI to write for you: stories, poems, song lyrics, scripts, essays, emails, homework, language practice, and text translation. Information about anything: food recipes, dad jokes, 1 week trip plan to Japan, what to watch, code, math equations, and many more. So yeah, you can just practice any language, chat about any topic and all of that. So yeah, let's just open it up. Need to say there are a bunch of apps right now which are using OpenAI API, and some of them are actually quite expensive. They can charge you a lot if you want to engage in the chat. But this app seems to provide some of the things free. A poem. So let's look. So here you have how it works. I don't know if it's using the latest model of ChatGPT, either 3.5 or ChatGPT 4. So I just don't know that. So then you can just share it as an image, or you can just tap and hold, and then your message is copied, and then you can just use that. And the cool thing about this app is that you can engage in conversation for free the same way as it's kind of like ChatGPT. Because as I said, in other apps which are not non-native like ChatGPT apps, you need to instantly upgrade if you want to participate in the chat. So yeah, then you have all your history. You can go and then you can just rename or delete any of your chats. So it's the same way as it saves in the ChatGPT, it's being saved here. Then you just have different suggestions: fun, business, marketing, social media manager. So here you just what it means, you just setting up a role. So you can just say, I want you to be act as a social media manager, will be responsible for developing and executing campaigns across all the relevant platforms, engage with audience. So that's what you can do. And yeah, that's the idea then. You can write J.K. Rowling style short story, act as Neo from Matrix. So you can just set up all these characters and set all these roles in specific chats, and then just proceed to these chats. So it completely works as ChatGPT. So yeah, it's a cool app. You can share this app, you can reach out to and then email support. So again, this app is just being developed by Codeway company, which is one of the top app development companies. They're just building these viral apps like Woi, a bunch of others, AI apps. So yeah, that's basically a quick overview, and it has a nice little dark theme here. I don't know how to change to the other theme, but yeah, that's just an overview.